ma chaîne. Je m'appelle Roselyne Adams et je reste votre professeur de français. Si vous n'avez pas abonné ma chaîne, s'il vous plaît, qu'est-ce que vous attendez? Abonnez ma chaîne. Merci beaucoup. Okay, welcome back to my channel, everyone. To my amazing subscribers, I'm excited, happy to have you back. And to those who are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to know when I post new videos. Okay, today we are going to be looking at some words and their opposites in French. Simply put, antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words that belongs to the same grammatical class but has different meanings. Ok, aujourd'hui nous allons apprendre certains antonymes en français. Quels sont les antonymes? Les antonymes sont les mots, des mots de même groupe ou classe grammaticale, mais qui ont des sens contraires. Ok, simplement on peut dire que nous allons apprendre les contraires en français. Okay, so we look at some words and their opposites in French today. Without wasting time, let's dive into the lesson. First on the list is good, and the opposite of good is bad. Good is bon, bad, mauvais, bon, mauvais, bon, mauvais. Okay, next is young, old. Jaune, vieux. Jaune, vieux. Next, beginning, end. Beginning, end. Début, fin. Début, fin. Okay? Another word is thick, slim, or thin. Thick, slim. Thick is épais and slim is mince. Épais, mince. Épais, mince. The next is cold, and of course the opposite is hot. Cold is froid, hot is chaud. Froid, chaud. Froid, chaud. Okay, next is love, hate. Love, hate. Love is amour, hate is haine. Amour, haine. Next is close, far. Close, far. Close is près, far is loin. Près, loin. Next word is fast, slow. Fast, slow. Fast is rapide and slow is long. Rapide, long. Next on the list is grand, petit. Grand, petit, meaning big, small. Bon, okay. The last word on the list today is opened, closed. Opened, closed. Opened is ouvert and closed is fermé. Ouvert, fermé. Okay, so before I end the lesson, who can tell me the opposite of the word grand? Grand is big. The opposite is petit. Très bien, très bien. So go through the lesson once again to learn how to say some of these words in French and their opposites. Okay, this is where I'll be ending the lesson for today. Ensure to subscribe before you go, and of course I will be seeing you in my next video. Au revoir.